So this is me unboxing a new bracket that I got on Konga. This is the bracket. You can see the Bowen mount in case you want to put in a soft box. This is where you can secure it on a stand. And this is my Oolong speed light, which I'm going to be mounting on the S bracket. You can see the speed light is quite flexible. It can go as far as 180, almost 360 degrees. I'm going to open up the area where I'm going to put in the flash so that it can accommodate the flash. I insert my flash. I use the screw to safely secure it in the bracket so as to avoid it falling out and to avoid accidents. So this is my Godox Reemix double eye trigger. With this trigger I am going to be firing my flash. First we'll have the receiver, and that's the transmitter. So I have unboxed this before, but I just packaged it again so that I'll be able to show you guys what it's like. The batteries are already in the receiver and the transmitter, and I'm going to show you that now. So you insert your batteries in. The batteries come with the package, and then also that's the transmitter, which I'm going to be using to fire the flash. So once that is inserted into your hot shoe, this is inserted into the hot shoe for your flash. The other is inserted into the hot shoe for your camera. So I'm going to insert it into my speed light hot shoe. Once that is securely inserted, I tighten that up so that it doesn't fall out or to avoid accidents. And then the battery for the transmitter is already inside. It's a 23A battery. It's quite small. And I turn my indicator over to flash because that's what I want to fire. And then the indicator on my receiver too, I turn over to flash. And the moment I click on the button on the transmitter, the flash will immediately get the signal and then fire simultaneously. So that is how it works. And that's all for today's review. I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up, share, make sure you comment under the video, and for more videos like this I would like you to please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.